So welcome to this small update project. So I've been making some experiment with fluid simulation recently, and last year I took a course of fluid simulation or simulation in general, and with a friend we wrote a solver for fluid simulation. So I decided to write my own for this small project. And it is implementing a position-based fluid from Maclean and Muller 2013, which I put the reference in the description. And so here we can see basically that there is a scene with the particles that are represented as sphere imposters, and there are 8,000 particles, and this is single-threaded on a single core. And you can see the frame rate up above, and it is using now a uniform grid for neighbor finding, and with a violet representation, which is not optimal and quite slow for now. So you can also see all the parameters of the simulation, so everything related to the kernel radius, the density, and all of this. There are also two substeps that are used, which I think were giving a good result. And the interesting thing is that I can reset simulation. You can see it's falling because there is the gravity, but I can also set no gravity, so no gravity at all. And as you will see, like it bounced on the floor, and now it's like sticking to itself and to the border of the simulation domain that you can see. It's just a box, and I think it's very cool to see like the fluid sticking to itself. So for now there is not the XSPH, so the viscosity term added, and I don't have the vorticity enabled. So it's why it's very still and calm. But now if we just do reset gravity, and we're going to see it fall again, I think it's pretty cool to see how it fall if I get close enough. And if I just let it go a bit, you see that now that we have the gravity on the y-axis, it just stabilizes itself. And now if I do, let's say, I modify the gravity in this direction, it's very cool to see that it's going to flow itself. And then I disable the gravity again. I think it's very, very cool looking. You can really see that it creates some kind of clusters of particles, which really look cool. But I haven't tried to really investigate which kind of fluid I'm simulating. It's just a basic first example, and I want to add, which I did in another project, but it was with sand, to add collision with static particles, and add this viscosity and vorticity in the next iteration of the project. And I think that's all, and thank you for watching.